Now write down the spelling of second. Second. The spelling of second is SECOND. I'll tell you, Karmanya, your spelling was wrong. So write down the spelling of first like this. FIRST. First. Then second. 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 So write the complete line of the spelling second. Okay, written everyone. Okay. Om Joshi, write down. Aradhya, written. Show me your book. Kinjal. Okay. Just a minute, Swara. Swara Ahire. Good. Okay, Aradhya Kherna, written. Very good. Vidhi Gaikwad. Kinjal. Swara Nirgide. Very good. Karmanya. The spelling of second. Shashank Thorat. Very good. Okay, Shashank. So in front of second, you have to write like this. Yes. In front of first, you have to write like this. FST, first. Okay. This is number one. ST, stop. First. Then FIRST, first. Okay. Then this is second. Then SECOND, second. Like this. Those who have written only spellings, they have to write like this. See, Shashank Thorat has written the complete line. In this way, you have to write down the complete line. Arnav Pawar. Okay, Arnav, very good. Write down the next one. Adyan Fasale, very good. Adyan, very good. Vidhi Gaikwad, write down the complete line. Not only one time. Aditya Khernar. Aditya Khernar, very good. Okay, Aradhya Bhaskar. Show me a book, Aradhya. Yes, Swara, very good. Aradhya Bhaskar, write 10 times. Swara Ire, Om Joshi. You have not shown me a book. Swara Ire, very good. Swara Ire, very good. Yashraj Jagtap, very good. Yes, Yashraj. Okay. Now those who have completed the spelling of second, they can write the spelling of third. Third. Th, third. Aradhya, fast. Th, Parth. Bring it closer to the camera, Parth. Very good, Parth. Very good. Parth, unmute yourself and say the spelling of first. Unmute yourself. Say the spelling of first. Mama is not there. I can't hear your voice, Parth. Okay. Learn the spellings, yes? Okay. Okay. Write down the spelling of third. Yes, Aditya, wait. Third. Okay. Third. 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 See, the sound of th is th. Rd, the sound of I is silent over here. So the spelling of third is third, third. Yes, Arnav Pawar. Let everyone write. Okay, Arnav Arjun Pawar. Third. Very good, Arnav. Yes, Yashraj. Shriyansh. Okay, Shriyansh, very good. Now everyone keep your book aside. I am going to show you something. Yes. Aradhya Bhaskar, very good. Yes, in this way you have to write Aradhya. Now everyone ready? Keep your books aside. Shashank, Aradhya, Aradhya. Now look here. Fold your hands. See, in your maths notebook, ordinal numbers are there. Ordinal numbers. Now see, there are two type of numbers. One is ordinal and another one is cardinal. So cardinal number means what is mean by cardinal numbers? Cardinal number means the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 till infinite means endless numbers are there are called cardinal numbers, and ordinal number means first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. Yes. So Tanya, Tanya is at first position. Rahul, Rahul, not Rahul Gandhi. This is Rahul at second position. Tarun at third position. Manish at fourth position. Neha at fifth position. Raj at sixth position. Sukhbir at seventh position. Jitesh at eighth position. Karan at ninth position. And Ankit at 10th position. Okay, so they all are going to the zoo. Read it. ZOO zoo. Where all are going? They all are going to the zoo. Now look at the illustration above. Some children are standing in a queue. Queue means they are in a line waiting. What they are waiting for? They will get the ticket and they will enter in the zoo. Tanya will be the first one to enter the zoo. So who will be the first one? Tanya will be the first one to enter in the zoo. Rahul will be the second and Tarun will be the third. Tarun will be the third. And Ankit will be. Now later on you have to write down like this. Manish at the fourth position, Neha at the fifth position, Raj at the sixth position, Sukhbir at the seventh position, Jitesh at the eighth position, Karan at the ninth position, and C Ankit will be on the or at the 10th position or 10th to enter the zoo. Now you have to fill in the blanks. Okay, now tell me, who is at the fourth position? Yes, Manish. क्या हुआ शशांक? What happened? Now tell me, who is at the sixth position? Sixth position. Yes. Who is at the ninth position? Who is at the ninth position? Ninth. Yes. Give answer only one time. Don't say Karan, Karan, Karan. Yes. Karan. Karan is at the ninth position. Who is at the who is at the sorry, third position? Who is at the third position? Yes. Tarun is at the third position. Now tell me the position of now tell me the Okay, tell me the position of Sukhbir. Tell me the position of Sukhbir. Sukhbir at the, yes, Sukhbir at the seventh position. Who is, hey, where is Karan? Karan is at which position? Yes, very good. Karan is at ninth position. Give answers in English. Don't talk in Marathi. Very good, Aradhya. Now, on which position Tanya is? Yes, Tanya is at first position. Okay, now what is the position of Jitesh? Jitesh is at eighth position. This is Jitesh. Jitesh is at EIGHT 8. Very good. So, dear students, you have to solve this. Okay, what you have to do? You have to solve this exercise. Now, color the caps of the clones as per the given instructions. So, yellow says I am at the first. Okay, now you have to give the color to the cap as per the position. For first, fifth, and eighth, you have to give red. So, this is first. Where is fifth? This is fifth, and this is eighth. So, you have to give them red. Sixth and seventh, blue. Where is sixth? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Sixth and seventh, blue. Sixth and seventh, the cap will be blue. Second, fourth, and tenth, green. So this is second, fourth, and tenth. Means last one, green. Third and ninth, yellow. Where is third? This one is third, and this is ninth. So you have to give them yellow color. Can you color it right now? Take your colors and color them fast. Those who don't have food, their parents will draw for them. Like this. Draw like this. This is such a simple drawing. So draw like this. Try to read this. Okay, Aradhya. Sorry. Very good, Aradhya. Parth, can you draw? Adyan Fasale, very good. Okay, you are drawing. Yes, Adyan Fasale, very good. Parth, you can take a screenshot, beta. You can take a screenshot so that you can complete it later on. Vidhi, Aradhya Bhaskar, Aditya Kirnar, Shashank Korath, very good, Shashank. Tanishi Dhar, Tanishi, color the caps, Tanishi. You have not colored them. You have to color these caps. Yes. Yes, Swara. Tanishi, what you did matching activity, Tanishi. Tanishi, you have to do this coloring activity. You have to color the caps. Swara Nirgide, Karmanya, very good. Yes, Karmanya, I have checked your book. Swara Nirgide, very good. Well done. Wait, Tanishi. Tanishi, you have to color. Yes, Swara, I have checked your book. Aradhya Khairnar. Okay, Aditya Khairnar. Aditya, color the caps. Yes, Parth. Yes, Shriyansh. Very good, Parth. Very good. Parth, you draw by yourself. Okay, you have drawn it by yourself. पार्थ की मम्मा, आप पार्थ की मुझे आवाज़ नहीं आती है मैम. मुझे बहुत बुरा लगता है. पार्थ इतने अच्छे से बात करता है और मैं सुन नहीं पाती उसे. तो आप वॉइस का कुछ देखिए, उसकी वॉइस मुझ तक क्यों नहीं आ रही है. आप अनम्यूट करते हो लेकिन वहां से हो रहा है अनम्यूट, लेकिन उसका साउंड नहीं आ रहा है मुझे. पार्थ मम्मा वहां पर है क्या आपकी? बोलाओ मम्मा को. मैम मोबाइल में कुछ तो भी प्रॉब्लम है, मुझे आवाज़ क्लियरली नहीं आ रही है मैम. थोड़ा कुछ फंक्शनिंग उसका देखिए सो दैट. मुझे इतना बुरा लगता है ना, इज टॉकिंग सो नाइसली एंड मैं उसको सुन नहीं पाती हूँ. यस पार्थ, यू आर सच अ क्यूट बॉय. यस, यू आल्सो डोंट हैव टीथ. वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, गुड बॉय. यस अर्णव अर्जुन पवार, वेरी गुड अर्णव. अध्ययन, शो मी योर बुक बेटा. वेरी गुड अध्ययन, वेरी गुड. आराध्य भास्कर, व्हाट हैपेंड? ओके, श्रेयांश शिंदे, वेरी गुड. श्रेयांश. ओम जोशी, डू इट बेटा. ओम जोशी. Okay, Swara Ahire. Swara Ahire, very good. But you have to draw 10 pictures. Yes? Shashank Thorat, very good. Arohi Bhadane, show me your book. Om Joshi. Shashank, very good. Shashank, you are not feeling sleepy right now? Om Joshi. Yeah, yeah. Okay, Om. Very good. Very good, Om Joshi. First, second, third, fourth. We will learn. Nirja, why you have joined late, beta? Swara. Tanishi, show me your coloring. Okay, dear students, so you got the concept of first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, tenth. You have to learn the spellings also because we have what happened then? Because you have to, yes. Okay, Tanisha, I'll check your book. Just a minute. Karmanya, very good. Yes, Kinjal. Okay, Kinjal, very good. Karmanya. Okay, Karmanya, you have to solve this in your note textbook. Tanishi, very good now. Okay, dear students, now the next you have to do is your this thing. Okay, you have to match the ordinal number with their notation. Yes, my dear students. So this is first. So where is the spelling of first? Yes, I got the spelling of first. So I have to match like this. Then this is second. S-E say C-O-N-D can't. Second. This is the second number. Yes. Yes. Then F-I-F-T-H. What is mean by F-I-F-T-H? Yes. F-I-F-T-H. Fifth. Then T-H-I-R-D. Yes. And E-I-G-H-T-H. E-I-G-H-T-H. F-I-R-S-T. F-I-R-S-T. T-E-N-T-H. C. T-E-N-10. Th. T-H. Th. 10th. S-I-X. 6. T-H. Th. 6th. 6th. F-O-U-R. 4. T-H. Th. 4th. 9. 9th. T-H. Th. 9. 9. Okay. Th. 9th. Yes. 10th. 11th. 12th. Okay. So today you have to learn till 10th. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, tenth. Yes, Adhan. Very good, Adhan. Match. Yes, you have match. Very good. So, dear students, see you tomorrow. I am going to give you some homework. So, complete that homework. Shashank Thorat. Okay, Vidhi. Yes, Vidhi Gaikwad. Very good, dear students. So, see you tomorrow at 10 o'clock. Bye bye, dear students.